Okay, first question. In Union County, Florida, the 1990 census listed the population at 10,252.
Sorry, I just had to fix it.
That one won't count.
I know.
Okay. In 2000, the census listed the population at 13,442. What percent increase is this to the nearest tenth of a percent? We take out where we started at 10,252, and we moved up to 13,442. To find how much increase that was, we have to find the difference between the two. We take 13,442 and we subtract 10,252. We increased by 3,190 people. Is that correct?
Correct.
Now, if we want to just estimate that, what we're trying to do is figure out how much did we grow, by what percent. And if this is 9,000 and this is 3,000, we would say that we grew by about 1/3, or 33%, 33 1/3%. Your answer should be pretty close to that, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the amount we grew and divide it by our original amount. That will give us a decimal number, and we need to convert that decimal to a percent. So what is, I need a little help because I don't have a calculator up here. What is 3,190 divided by 10,252?
0.3115878.
I only have to round it to the nearest tenth of a percent. So this becomes 31.1% increase. Nope, it has to be 31.1 because it says round it to the nearest tenth of a percent. Shh. Problem number 2. The number of volunteers rose from 47 on Monday to 64 on Tuesday. Need to do the same thing. We're starting at 47 and we're moving up to 64. We need to find the difference between the two. So we need to figure out how many more volunteers were there on Tuesday than on Wednesday. Just do our 64, subtract 47. That's 17. So we had 17 more than where we started. So to find our percent increase in this case, we take our increase and we divide it by the original number. And we're good to go. And we should have, I believe it's 0.3617. Is that right? Now, if we're doing this to the nearest tenth of a percent, we'd have 36. Then here's our tenth number. This is going to be our tenth number in the percent. We need to look next door. 36.2%. Then, of course, it should say increase as well. All right. Now, for you guys, on Monday, we're going to take our benchmark. If anybody aced this, you prove to me you don't need to take the benchmark. You know what you're doing. The benchmark on Monday will be very similar to this, and I'll have this video up and available for you tomorrow morning. It's not going to be on tonight, because tomorrow every other class is going to be taking this. But I'll have this up tomorrow, right when I get to school. So you can look at it and watch it on my videos.